I've enjoyed the whole class. I am so glad I invested and come into the class.
It's been fantastic.
Yeah.
I cannot believe the value that has been added, I feel like, to our business.
Well, I have loved all of it. I mean, it's been just so full.
All of it has been just terrific.
They've really covered so much, and I truly appreciate their transparency.
And Debbie and Julie have been so generous, just sharing everything and opening their business up for us to see from the inside out.
And not just trying to put on a good show, but really teaching us the good, the bad, and the ugly, and the ups and downs, and what to really expect, and just really willing to give out that information. I've been so pleased.
It's all been so fun.
I consider myself a semi-experienced stager, but I've learned so much about warehousing and also how to approach a business model that I could grow into.
The online modules are fantastic, but the in-person training has been just like invaluable.
The online classes were great, but this is a greater experience, just being able to do the hands-on.
And even with watching the videos at home, it is this, you want to watch it again, not just to learn, but also to be inspired. So it was really a, yes, I can do this kind of class.
I feel like I would pay 100 times over for both, but especially I feel like the master class was so worth the full package, because it just tied everything together.
I was very careful in selecting my training program, and I looked at a lot of different programs online, and I am confident that I made the right choice.
And so it's just been great. I truly wish that everyone could experience this.
And meeting Debbie and Julie face to face, even, and just their inspiration.
Has been so great.
Oh yeah.
They're just so willing to teach, and you can tell they want you to succeed. It's not just, oh, come take my class, they want you to succeed.
I mean, I feel like it's given us so much hope. Like,
yes.
Before it was like, and now it's like, okay, we can do this. We can do this.
Yeah.
And
so empowering.
Yes.
Yeah.
They've been absolutely amazing, and the best investment we could make for this business.